This question would appear in the calculator section, but there's really no reason to use one. This is really just about understanding how we build exponential equations. And so the formula that I always use for exponentials is the open formula, which is what I also use for percentages, but with the exponential equation, it's going to look like this. It looks kind of like the word open, except we have two kind of different little pieces that are added in. The 1 plus or minus is going to account for the fact that it's an increase or a decrease in a percentage, and the t represents the fact that it's exponential. The percentage happens multiple times. So now it's just a matter of plugging the values from the question into this equation. So O stands for the original amount, and that we know is 76. That's the number of B's. So that means C and D have to be right because those are the ones that have the 76 in the right spot. And then as far as the percentage goes, I know it says 12%, but it's an increase of 12%, and this is where the 1 plus or minus is going to come in. We need to account for the fact that it's increasing by 12%. So we have 100% of the B's we have now, plus an extra 12% every single year, and so it's going to look like 1.12 when we simplify this thing, and that is choice D. And so yes, there is more to this equation that we don't have, but that's okay. It's an unknown, it's got variables. That's exactly the kind of thing that they might ask in a different version of this question, but in this case, all they want you to do is build the formula. So understand how these formulas are built. There will absolutely be exponential questions like this on your SAT. They really like to ask about this topic.